Hey everybody, welcome. I'm having coffee this morning looking at articles because I've been seeing that on some of my websites, not all of them, but some of them, I've been seeing the ad spaces being blank. So I'm not getting impressions, but it's inconsistent. It's only certain ad spaces and only certain ads. And so I was really curious, and I've been doing a lot of just research, paying attention online, and I came across this article that was released yesterday from Search Engine Journal about some updates and some changes to how Google AdSense is handling invalid clicks or what it considers bad traffic. And this totally makes sense to me now why it is that some of my pages are seeing fewer impressions. Previously, what Google AdSense would do is take care of bad traffic after the ad was clicked on or after the ad was shown. And what the program aims to do now is prevent the impression or the click from occurring at all by just recognizing that the traffic is bad and then not showing the ad. So there's just no chance at all for someone to come in and commit fraud or click fraud or to load the page multiple times or whatever. It's confusing and maybe alarming for publishers like myself who aren't trying to do any sort of fraud, and you just go to your page and check to see that everything is good, and when you see the big blank space for your ad, you start to worry and wonder about that, especially when you're seeing that you're going into your portal and you're seeing that you're accruing page views, but you can see that the impressions aren't going up at the same rate. So you know that there are users and viewers that are coming to your website that ads are not being shown to them. And if you are someone who's not sending fraudulent traffic or engaging in any sort of traffic scheme, it can be kind of alarming. And I kind of feel that way where I say, okay, I'm not trying to do anything bad, yet this is happening. I wonder if this is a situation that is going to level itself out after the program is completely rolled out and everybody has time to adjust, or it means that maybe I should look closer at the traffic from the specific websites that I'm looking at that are having these issues with the impressions not showing up and the clicks not happening as they normally did. I mean, maybe there's an issue with my traffic. Maybe I need to look at that more carefully. I mean, I'm not purposefully sending traffic through to my website. I'm not paying for traffic. I'm not doing anything other than creating content so that organic traffic can come through the website. So I feel a little bit confused as to how my site could be suffering as a result, because the traffic on my website should be good, but it still, I guess, explains some of the bumps. I guess I'm seeing a lot of up and down right now as it relates to impressions and clicks, and I think that this new program, I mean, however it works and whatever it is probably at the heart of this. So if you're struggling with blank ad spaces or your ad unit's not showing when people are going there, I would just kind of monitor this and see if there is some more news that is coming out about the program, because I definitely am. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any thoughts or any information of your own about why it is that your website might not be showing ads, or what sort of experiences you are having, please let me know in the comments. It helps if we can all get through this together. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.